We'll guide you through how to download and install Unity. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Unity is a video game engine, so we'll guide you through how you can get it on your computer and start using it. So go and open up a web browser of your choice. I'll use Chrome, but it doesn't matter. And what you can then do is type in Unity and search for it and come to unity.com. What you need to do is go ahead to the top right where it says plans and pricing and click there. We can then come down and have Unity Engine selected, and we can select all plans. In this case, I'm going to be getting the Unity Personal. Then you can scroll down and press Download Now. You'll then be brought to the download page, and we can press Download, and it's going to go and begin. Wait for it to finish, and you can then go and open up your File Explorer. I'll right click on it and come straight to my downloads. You can always select it to the left here. Then you can go and double click on it, and we can start the process. You'll get a Windows security pop-up. Make sure you read and agree to the terms of service. I already have, so I'll press I agree. Choose the destination folder and press install. It's now finished installing, so we can go and select Run Unity Hub and go and press finish. Now what we need to do is go and sign in or create an account. If you have one, you can press sign in, otherwise we can press create account. Our web browser will open up and we can get started here. So let's go and enter in the info. Enter in the information and make sure you read and agree to what's needed over to the left here, and you can then do the captcha. Then you can press create a Unity ID. What we'll need to do is go and confirm our email, so I'll go to mine now. Press on the link to confirm email button. I'll need to do the captcha and press verify. You'll be redirected to the sign in, which you can then do. Now what you can do is return to the app and go and press sign in, and your web browser will go and open up as you can go and sign in with your web browser. I'll just go and press open Unity Hub and select that there, and you'll then be signing in. And that's it, we've now successfully signed in, and we can go and press install Unity Editor like so, and it's now downloading. You can go and see the progress here. You can see that it's now finished. Now if we go over to the left and press projects, we can go to the top right and press new project. Go and choose a project you want to go and create. I'll just do a universal 3D one, and we can press create project, and it's going to be created and Unity is going to open. And here it is, it's now open. Of course, you can go and create different projects. If you found this useful, then leave a like.